Hey guys, this is Cameron with HomeSafe Driving Specialist. I'm out here in Little Elm at a customer's house. They've had us out here once before. They've experienced longer drying times and also their dryer's overheating. So we came and did our inspection just to see what's going on. Upon the further inspection, when we checked out the whole Lint system, the driving system is actually running the way it did before when we cleaned it out a few years ago, around 3 years ago. So they do need a cleaning, but it's not the cause of the issue for the overheating. Sometimes in certain situations, whenever you are having dryer issues, like it's taking longer to dry, your dryer is overheating, the driving system could be the cause of the issue, but not for this scenario. For this one, I just recommended for them to have an appliance company come out and check the dryer out just to make sure that all the components are working great. If not, they can fix it and they'll have a good working dryer. And since we're already here, they just opted for us to clean the driving system just to make sure that it's all safe for the family. So if you have any questions or anything, hit us up at HomeSafe Specialist and we'll get to you.